All right, guys, here's the Galant beside me. We got up on the lift. Been putting on this Mishimoto intercooler here and finally got it installed, so we're going to check it out. Right, so here's the intercooler, and I tried to keep as much of the stock piping as I could. So this is the stock piping. I did have to loosen one bolt and move it up. And then this is a 1 3/4 stock pipe up to the 2.5 for the Mishimoto. And then the same one over here, but I did end up having to cut off part of the front of this one and part of the back of it just to be able to fit it in. And that's the stock pipe coming down, meeting it. I had to trim off part of it just to try to get them to meet together, so I didn't have to do all new piping. But I think it came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So we'll see more of this thing. All right, the bumper is on now. Everything's bolted back up. So we're about ready to drop her down and test it out. All right, guys, there we are back on the ground. Sitting back down now. Also want to thank Mishimoto for sponsoring this car. Give a shout out to them. If you need any cooling parts or intakes or exhausts, they got all kinds of stuff now. So check them out, see what all they got. Right now working on repainting the grill mesh, blacking it back out. And here in just a second, we're going to start on the decals and stuff and all the sponsors and stuff. Right, all the decals are on. We're finished up here. Got the original style back on the rear doors on each side. Mishimoto on the wing. So everything is good to go. Alright guys, so I got done really late last night with the Galant, working on it. And about 12:30 I was coming home, giving it some boost, did fine. I bumped it on up and then ended up blowing a pipe off. So, and what I did is that the two rubber couplings that went together, I used a 1 3/4 piece of exhaust coupling. And obviously it didn't have an edge on it. I was really hoping it was gonna work, but it didn't. So one of those things. But anyways, today a buddy of mine welded a lip on the edge of it on both sides. So we fit it back in there, got everything tightened back up, and it seems to be doing good now. So I've made it farther home than I did last time from the shop. So seems to be doing well. Right now I've just got the boost controller turned off, so it's just running the stock wastegate pressure, which is normally around 7-8 pounds for this car. And with the Mishimoto intercooler on just the stock wastegate, it's still making more boost because it's got a colder charge. It's probably about 55 degrees outside right now, so it's doing really good. So we'll turn it up here in just a second. I missed that. Man, that feels good. So it's probably running around 16 pounds of boost right now. I can run it up a little bit higher, but it starts to boost cut. So it's actually doing pretty good, man. It feels like a beast right now. So I'm glad that intercooler pipe is holding. So I think that's it. I did take some pictures earlier, so you can take a look at those now, what the car looks like now. Things that I've done to it, we just had it painted and did all the logos, all that stuff the other night. And I put a GReddy boost controller on it. I've put a GReddy Type FV blow-off valve on it. Little stuff here and there. Nothing real huge, that intercooler obviously. And there's some other things. I'll lay out everything that's been done to the car. on the description below, so you can check it out, what all's been done to it. So hope you enjoyed the video.